And damn! What the fuck? It's hailing! But yeah, top of the morning, electrical, day one, we outside. Electrical day one. You see this? It's hailing. Pray for us. This is gonna be the hardest class. You probably take this and advanced electrical.
Got more into bikes as I got older. Started working with bikes, flipping bikes and stuff like that. That's when I really got more involved in it. Doing that for maybe, I was like 11 years old.
Damn.
Went to college, just like y'all, college didn't work out for me. Came back here, ended up going to UTI because needed something to do. Alright, went to UTI, graduated in 2015. Alright, so not too far back. Went through the Toyota TPAC program because it was a smart decision at the time. Living in New York, all the Toyotas was on the road, so I knew there was always going to be work available. I got accepted into a few of the programs. I got accepted to Porsche, BMW, but then I would have had to relocate it. 2015, worked for Toyota. Did that for about 2 or 3 years. Then I ended up going to school. Went to Mavis, I believe. And I went to Mavis. And believe it or not, Mavis is probably one of my favorite places because I wasn't constricted to one thing, all right? I got to touch a little bit of everything. And believe it or not, people are cheap. So I was touching, I worked on Ferraris there, Aston Martins, and then of course your day-to-day vehicles, but you'd be surprised who bring the vehicle in there. After that, ended up going to Mercedes, worked there for about 3 years. That's where I got majority of my electrical knowledge from. It's like you said, people do shy away from it, and that's what Mercedes was. Worked at a few other dealers after that, Honda, Jeep, and then eventually something I didn't want to do anymore, so I started my own business. A few of them, did car rentals, I did a moving company, did a little bit of everything, and things went good, all right? Things went good, started going too good, and forgot about taxes because I didn't really know about business like this too. So, time, my girlfriend told me that I gotta figure something out to, work on these taxes, and just so happened that they needed somebody here, all right? It was after COVID. Came here, they told me that I'm going to be teaching people what I've been doing for the last 10 plus years, and I get to work on my cars. Once they told me I work on my own cars, I was like, I tried out. And that was it. Been here about 3 years since, and
that's fine.
Good deal so far. Like you said, a lot of people didn't like the electrical aspect of it because it does get confusing, but once you really figure things out and you notice that it's the same thing everywhere, like it becomes very, very simple. And that's what I strive to.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie, but first day I wasn't gonna be in the show anyway.
What's going on?
My fault.
What's going on?
I'm bringing the grab till Monday.
Wait, what?
So y'all have Rosenthal, you start Gregor.
Yeah.
Why is it Gregor right now?
So y'all got Rosenthal?
Because he's supposed to be in engines right now.
So who was in y'all class that we know was y'all?
Basically everyone who's not already, basically everyone who didn't
So
go with
Meech,
y'all.
you, Donovan,
Yeah.
Cardi,
It's the
Kyber.
same split like before.
Oh, so Kyber.
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 An hour plus the fucking diff.
Huh? Right, 49 minutes. Huh? So why y'all not chilling? Yeah, oh, I'm sorry. Y'all had the privilege to chill in the class. Why y'all not doing that, bro?
We was gonna meet y'all. We was gonna meet y'all upstairs.
Nobody's there for real. Like half the class is missing.
Yeah, that or y'all are the class.
What? It's actually cold outside, so I'm not trying to go out
Yeah,
there.
bro, everyone's just going upstairs at this point.
Good. What happened? What'd you say?
They got Greg, bro.
They got who?
Yeah, we got Gregory till Monday.
No.
Because the Grab hasn't been here for a couple days, so Rosa has to cover for the Grab until he comes back Monday.
And then Rosal's gonna come back to y'all, right?
Yeah.
Y'all got Rosa.
I mean, I'm cool with Gregory. I don't mind.
The switch is open. The switch is open. So knowing what we know, if the circuit looks like this now, should it operate?
Yes, sir.
It should. Alright. If it doesn't operate, what would be the first thing that you would check?
The fuse.
Fuse, right? The easiest thing to check, go straight to your fuse box. You can physically inspect it, just pull it out, send one around, alright? You're gonna check to see if that fuse is good. If the fuse looks like this, or we have it open, is this a complete circuit?
No.
No. You now have a open in the circuit, alright? What's missing now?
The ground.
Ground, so we have a complete circuit. No. Alright? Really that simple. If you don't have power where you're supposed to, what are you gonna look for?
Press any draw anywhere.
Huh?
Like if there might be any type of wire that's exposed, like what we got.
Alright, so what did we just create there?
Sorry.
What did we just create there? When we closed that switch, when we broke the fuse? Huh?
We'll create another.
Oh, an open circuit.
You could create an open circuit.
Open circuit, right.
Only time you don't see power somewhere in that circuit is if there's going to be an open. Right? You don't see power because all of our power comes from the same two places, alternator or the battery. Right? As long as the alternator is running, you should see it there. Right? And the way that our cars are wired, we'll see the same power every single component. Right? So, if you have an open in circuit, all you're gonna do is trace from start to end. Alright? You're gonna look for where the power stopped at. If we had 12 volts right here, and by the time I got to right here, and now I see 0 volts, it lets me know that somewhere between here and here, everything was good because I seen 12 volts. Alright? So do I have to inspect anything from this point? It's operating the way it should. Alright? To eliminate that, you simply work from where the problem occurs. Whenever I'm personally diagnosing something, I usually like to start from the load. Alright? Because the simplest thing to do, whenever you see a load, you'll see a connector. Alright? And if this is operating the way it's supposed to, it's real simple. Power, this is going to be our flow power right here. Boom. Power is supposed to go just like that, and it's supposed to go into our load.